Welcome! In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, erase all data, factory reset, delete all data. Now in your case, you might actually have a screen lock visible if you have one set that you will need to confirm it, and once you do, you will be presented with this page at which you'll just want to select erase all data, and this will begin factory resetting your device. Now this process is stupidly fast, so it only takes about like 20 seconds to finish up, so should be done in about 10 seconds. I was off by 8 seconds. In any case, here we go. That's the reset completed, and now you can set up your device however you like. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.